everyone, and welcome to another Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 2nd of February around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time, and as always, we're going to be presenting one of the instruments among the 78 that we cover. In today's video, we're going to be covering the DAX. A Charts of the Day is a session within Elliott Wave Forecast in which every day we present a video and explain the view in the instrument. You have to click on Elliott Wave Forecast, click on Charts of the Day, and you will be able to understand the whole analysis of one of the instruments. Like I said, today we're going to be looking at the DAX, which the DAX is doing what we call an Elliott Wave, an impulse, in which there is, seems like right now the DAX is entering right here the wave 5 of a wave 3. So technically the DAX did 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and now the DAX is in the process of a wave 5 or a wave 5 of a wave 3. The 4-hour view is very clear. You got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 degrees, then 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and a 5. That's an impulse. Then the DAX did right here a 3 weeks put back in a way of a flat, and then, like I say, it did another nest. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and now we are in the wave 5. This cycle in the DAX from December the 20th should be ending soon, and that if we zooming in a little bit to the 4-hour, to the 1 hour, we are able to see the rally in the wave 5 and the 5 weeks from December the 20th. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. At this stage, the DAX is trading higher, as they say. There is a huge momentum divergence here, as we can see, and we are expecting the DAX next week at one moment to end this cycle, and we have to keep an area in at the 618 or 123 that it comes around 15,850. Right there around this area we can see a pullback and a full retest of this trend line. As I say, a very technical advance here in the DAX, right? Very technical, and yes, we are in the wave 3 right here. We are ending the wave 3 right here. We should extend higher right there in the next few sessions still. And as far as this divergence hold between this and this is the case. Otherwise, the DAX is in a super nest that is going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's going to explode to the upside. So more upside in the DAX, possible ending December 20, and soon a pullback in a wave 4. So that's the view on the DAX right now. Technically, if you like the video, we invite you guys to take the 14-day trial, something that you're going to be able to see a very deep coverage of 78 instruments in different time frames and different live sessions, right? So that's the video for today. That's the Charts of the Day video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys around. Thank you guys.